Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Oral B Io9 is probably one of the most advanced electric toothbrushes on the market, boasting a revolutionary magnetic technology that delivers a superior clean and an unparalleled brushing experience, making it a top contender for anyone seeking the ultimate in oral hygiene and a truly transformative approach to daily dental care. Number 5. Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush. Introducing the Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush. Achieve a noticeably brighter smile with its advanced cleaning technology. This electric toothbrush is ADA accepted, ensuring it meets high standards for oral care. Its powerful motor delivers exceptional cleaning. It comes with 8 brush heads and a convenient travel case. Everything you need for effective brushing at home or on the go. Featuring a 40,000 VPM electric motor, it provides a deep and thorough clean. Experience the difference of high-frequency vibrations. Enjoy effortless wireless charging and 4 distinct brushing modes. The smart timer ensures you brush for the dentist-recommended duration. Upgrade your oral hygiene routine with this ultra whitening toothbrush. It's designed to deliver professional results from the comfort of your home. What we like. This toothbrush offers exceptional value with multiple brush heads and a powerful motor. If you're looking for a comprehensive oral care package that lasts, this is a great choice. It's ideal for families or individuals who want a long-term, effective whitening solution without frequent replacement costs. What people say. The brush works great. There are 3 cleaning modes to choose from. The brushes themselves are almost identical to Philips brushes. The battery life is really crazy. It lasts me about 2 months between charges when used at least twice a day. This thing comes with 8 brush heads total, complete insanity as opposed to the Philips one extra. The Aquasonic also comes with its own carrying case. The Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Electric Toothbrush is excellent and feels very high quality for the price. It delivers a powerful clean, leaving my teeth feeling noticeably smoother and cleaner after each use. The different brushing modes are easy to switch between and useful for everyday cleaning as well as more sensitive gums. Number 4. Aquasonic Duo Ultra Whitening Electric Toothbrush. Introducing the Aquasonic Duo, a revolutionary electric toothbrush designed for a superior clean. Achieve a brighter smile with advanced whitening technology. With an impressive 40,000 VPM, it effectively removes stains for a noticeably whiter smile. Yet, it remains gentle on your gums for comfortable daily use. Choose from 3 distinct brushing modes to suit your needs. Built-in smart timers ensure you brush for the dentist-recommended duration every time. Enjoy the freedom of wireless charging for effortless power-ups. Its sleek, ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand. This set includes 10 premium DuPont brush heads, ensuring long-lasting performance. Plus, 2 travel cases are provided for hygiene on the go. Invest in your oral health with the Aquasonic Duo. It's the smart choice for a healthier, brighter, and more confident smile. What we like. Experience a new level of shared oral care with this dual-handle electric toothbrush set. If you and a partner want to maintain excellent oral hygiene together, this is perfect for you. It offers convenience and efficiency for couples looking for synchronized, high-performance brushing. What people say. They clean your teeth super well, and the different modes are great. My favorite parts are they come with traveling cases, extra toothbrush heads, and the single base. Having only one cord to charge both is very convenient. This brush is still the best. I seriously charge it once, maybe twice every month or 2. It lasts that long. The battery life, it's incredible. It lasted me over 30 days of using 3x a day, which is crazy good. It stands out because it has an actual gum massage setting that runs the whole 2-minute cycle. It's fantastic. It feels terrific on my gums. And it has another setting, a whitening mode, which uses a higher ultrasonic frequency. Also terrific. The brush comes with 10 heads. And the nicest travel case ever. It even has a drain to make sure it keeps moisture away from your bristles. Super awesome. The set comes with 2 toothbrushes, a wireless charging dock, 2 travel cases, and 10 brush heads. That's 5 per toothbrush, which is amazing value for the price. The dock charges both brushes neatly, so it keeps the counter organized. It has 3 brushing modes, clean, soft, and whitening. Each one actually feels different. The regular mode is great for everyday use, the soft mode is perfect for sensitive gums, and the whitening mode gives a slightly stronger vibration that leaves your teeth feeling extra polished. The built-in timers help make sure I brush the right amount of time. Number 3. GUM Folding Travel Toothbrush. Introducing the GUM Folding Travel Toothbrush, designed for your on-the-go lifestyle. Its innovative trifold design protects the bristles, ensuring hygienic storage wherever you are. Keep your smile fresh and plaque-free with this portable toothbrush. Simply fold it up and slip it into your bag for travel, whether by plane, car, or on foot. The bristles are treated with a special solution, keeping them fresh and clean between uses. This ensures a hygienic brushing experience every time. Enjoy a gentle yet effective clean with its soft bristles and compact head. It also features a built-in tongue scraper for a complete mouth clean and fresher breath. We believe in the connection between oral health and overall health. That's why we are committed to providing innovative oral care solutions that are accessible to everyone. What we like. This toothbrush is designed for ultimate portability and hygiene. If you are a frequent traveler or always on the go, you should consider this. Its compact, foldable design and hygienic features ensure you can maintain your oral care routine anywhere, anytime. What people say. This toothbrush is excellent for traveling light. It's very light and folds in half, so it takes up very little space. These toothbrushes are perfect for travel. The small, durable, and high quality. The GUM Travel Toothbrush with antibacterial bristles is a convenient toothbrush for clean teeth and breath on the road. I like that it's sleek, compact, and foldable. It makes it easy to carry, protecting the bristles and keeps it hygienic. The handle provides a comfortable grip when unfolded. The antibacterial bristles are a key feature, ensuring the toothbrush stays more hygienic between uses. They are soft yet effective, offering a gentle and thorough cleaning. The toothbrush performs exceptionally well, removing plaque and food particles efficiently and leaving a fresh, clean feeling. Number 2. Oral B Io9 Genius Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. Experience the revolutionary Oral B Io9 Genius. It's designed to elevate your daily brushing routine to a whole new level of clean. With 7 distinct cleaning modes, you can tailor your brushing experience to your specific needs. Achieve a truly personalized clean every time. The intuitive interactive display guides you through your brushing. It provides real-time feedback to ensure you're cleaning effectively. Protect your gums with the intelligent visible pressure sensor. It alerts you if you're applying too much force, ensuring a gentle yet thorough clean. This package includes 4 brush heads, providing long-lasting care for your oral hygiene. Keep your smile bright and healthy with ample replacements. Its stunning rose quartz finish adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. It's a beautiful addition that performs exceptionally well. Take your Oral B Io9 Genius anywhere with the included charging travel case. Maintain your oral care routine effortlessly, even on the go. What we like. Elevate your brushing experience with advanced technology and personalized feedback. If you desire a dentist-level clean at home and appreciate smart features, this is the toothbrush for you. It's perfect for tech-savvy individuals who want to optimize their oral health with real-time guidance. What people say. The toothbrush has a pressure sensor that lights up if you brush too hard, which is great for protecting your gums. It comes with multiple brushing modes, including daily clean, sensitive, and whitening, allowing you to customize your brushing experience. The long-lasting battery life means you can go for weeks on a single charge, making it convenient for travel. Number 1. Oral B Io9 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. Experience the next level of clean with the Oral B Io9. This advanced toothbrush is designed to adapt to your unique needs for a superior brushing experience. Choose from 5 distinct cleaning modes to personalize your oral care routine. Whether you need whitening, gum care, or a deep clean, it has you covered. Our intelligent visual pressure sensor alerts you if you're brushing too hard. This helps protect your delicate gums from damage and ensures a safe, effective clean. Keep your toothbrush powered up and protected on the go with the included charging travel case. It's perfect for maintaining your oral hygiene routine wherever life takes you. This package comes with 2 brush heads, ensuring you have a replacement ready. Enjoy optimal cleaning performance for longer. Its elegant black finish adds a touch of sophistication to your bathroom counter. It's not just a toothbrush, it's a statement piece for your daily routine. What we like. Protect your gums while achieving a superior clean with intelligent pressure sensing. If you have sensitive gums or are looking for a gentler yet effective electric toothbrush, this is an excellent option. It provides a safe and thorough cleaning experience for those prioritizing gum health. What people say. The toothbrush has a pressure sensor that alerts you if you're brushing too hard, protecting your gums. It offers multiple brushing modes, including daily clean, sensitive, whitening, and gum care, allowing for a customized cleaning experience. The long-lasting battery provides up to 2 weeks of brushing on a single charge, making it convenient for travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.